In offices, in meetings, in emails, these small mistakes damage your image. Let's work on this today and fix those. You may speak correct English, but you still might sound unprofessional. I've trained students and working professionals for years now. And one thing that I have noticed is that people don't lose opportunities just because they lack knowledge, but also because they don't sound professional while speaking. So this part 3 is especially important for you if you're a parent, a working professional, or a student. Let's see what are those mistakes. Mistake number 1, using the word actually while correcting others. So if you say, actually you are wrong, actually you don't have the correct information, this sounds very defensive and rude. So refrain yourself when you want to correct somebody or pass on some information. Don't use the word actually. I know that you are not wanting to be rude, but this comes across as very defensive and absolutely rude. So instead of saying that, what can you say? You can just say, I see it differently. From my understanding, and you can continue the sentence, or you can also say, may I suggest another approach? So do not directly use the word actually when you are or while you are correcting someone. So professional English is not about being just right, it is also about being professional and respectful. Moving on to the second mistake, which is using the word I think or I think so a number of times. So I think this should be done. I think that can be done. I think this is the right way. Stop using I think all the time. So what are those alternatives that you would be speaking? So using this I think all the time, it sounds more like an opinion. Okay, it doesn't sound a decision. So do not use I think all the time. So what are the stronger sentences or what are the better alternatives that you can use is, I think this will work. I believe this will work. I think this approach is effective. Simply say, this approach is effective. Remember, confident people speak with clarity and not hesitation. Moving on to the third mistake, using casual words in professional setup, like, okay, no problem, hey guys, let's begin. These are not wrong English again, but not very professional. So instead of saying, hey guys, you can just say, hello everyone, no problem. You can say that works for me. Or when you want to say, okay, fine, instead of saying that, you can just say, certainly, that will work. The simple rule is same English but different environment. Now sometimes people will also say that we use these words so that the environment in the workplace is friendly and more of a family kind of a thing. See, but I absolutely believe the way you speak definitely is important. Okay, so how you place your words wherever you are, it will create an impact and an impression. So choose your words wisely. Mistake number 4, giving long explanation. And then actually, what happened was, and then this happened, and please, nobody is there to listen to your long stories, and no one has time also to do that. So how will you? First thing is, you really need to reduce your answers and keep it to the point. How can you say that? You can say like, here's the situation, or here's the action, or maybe here's the result. So, and then just put your point very, very clearly. It will definitely leave an impact that you're to the point and you do not just build stories. Mistake number 5, and let me tell you, this is my favorite, using sorry instead of thank you. Now, suppose you are late for a meeting, genuinely late for a meeting, or anything. Instead of saying, oh, sorry, I'm late, you can just say, thank you for being patient. Don't say, sorry for the delay. You can just say, thank you for your patience. See how immediately it changed the vibe, right? So thank you sounds more professional, and professional confidence is about being polite and not apologetic. So use these changes in meetings or emails or interactions or a parent teacher meeting. And let me tell you, this is really going to leave an impact and impression. Professional English is a skill and not talent. You don't need fancy English, you need appropriate English. And if you want to learn that, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. This is definitely going to help you. This was all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, keep learning, and keep thriving. Thank you so much.